How to enhance hair and treat hair loss. This is an easy recipe to thicken hair and treat baldness. A small cup of virgin olive oil. Olive oil blocks the production of this hormone, which helps reduce hair fall, promoting healthy hair growth. Add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil promotes hair growth and nourishes the dry scalp. Add a tablespoon of amla powder. Amla contains oodles of essential fatty acids that penetrate the follicles, making the hair softer, shinier, and voluminous. Mix it well. It also stimulates hair growth owing to its high iron and keratin content. Put it in a jar. Leave the mixture for 48 hours. You can save this recipe for a long time. How to apply this recipe? Massage the scalp well. Continue to massage with your fingers for a few minutes. Put a plastic cap on the hair. Leave the recipe in your hair for 1 hour. Then wash the hair with your shampoo and conditioner. Apply this recipe 3 times a week.